Show me what it is. Henry, bring it up here and I'll help you open it with the scissors.
I got it. What?
Lauren, what is it?
Tea set.
Neat. Show me, Henry.
Hold. Can I just open this up? Hold your horse.
Alright.
Hold your horse.
Don't shoot. Cool. Wow, there's all kinds of stuff in there, huh? Lauren, you gonna play with them?
Yeah.
You guys gonna have tea and coffee? You came with crayons?
No, those are not crayons.
What is that, Lauren? Show me.
It's trash. It's trash. Why did you?
Oh, it's trash?
Trash.